Good day. In this video we're going to solve two geometric questions that needs to be known from grade 8 to grade 12. This is the first one. We have to solve for x. Please look at the video about parallel lines and there you will learn the basics I'm going to use now. These two lines are indicated to be parallel. That means that these two angles over here are co-interior and adds up to 180 degrees. So we write 3x plus x equals 180 degrees. Co-interior angles AB parallel to CD. Because these two lines are parallel, the co-interior angles in this N shape adds up to 180 degrees. Then it becomes an equation. I add the 3x and the x. So 4x equals 180. Then I divide by 4 on both sides. Then the final answer is x equals to 45 degrees. I then like to write in the 45 degrees over here and work out the size of that angle. Then I can see this adds up to 180 degrees. Before we do the next problem, remember that if there's anything that you're not sure about in mathematics on school level, you can send a WhatsApp with your problem to this number. Then we will make a video like this one and place it for free on this channel so that other people can benefit from your question. This is such a video that was requested by someone. This is our second question. They wrote in a lot of information and they asked us to work out the value of x and y. The first thing I want you to see is that there is a set of parallel sides over here. Then there's a straight line over here. That means that's angles on a straight line. If you look at the two parallel lines over here, you've got co-interior angles sitting here and here. So we're going to work out what the value of y and x is. I started with working out y. So I can see that the angle over here is angles on a straight line. That one plus that one. So y minus 35 degrees, I always put that in brackets, plus 25 next to it, adds up to 180 degrees. Then I have to give a reason for my statement, and that I'll write here. And that is angles on a straight line. Then I just solve this equation normally. You can use a calculator, and minus 35 plus 25 gives me minus 10. Then I take the minus 10 and plus it on this side. Then I get the final answer, y equals to 190 degrees. I like to go and put it inside my question then. So y is 190. I minus 35. So this angle over here will be 155 degrees. And I can see the 155 and the 25 adds up to 180 degrees. The next thing I did is I wanted to work out x. And I can see there is two parallel lines with a transversal. That means this angle and this angle will add up to 180 degrees. So I wrote this 2x minus 10 plus the 25 plus the 45, I put them next to each other, equals 180 degrees, co-interior angles, and DE is parallel to GH. So there's your DE and there's your GH. Then I just solve this equation. 2x stays 2x, minus 10 and this together gives me 60. You can do it on a calculator. Then I want to get the x alone. I minus 60 from the 180, I get 120, and then I divide by 2. To get the x alone, and then the answer is x is 60 degrees. I then like to fill in the numbers, so this one will be 110 degrees. Then I can add up the 110 with the 25 and the 45, and I can see they add up to 180 degrees. Please indicate whether you liked or disliked the video, and you can subscribe to the channel. Like I said, if there's any maths problem that you have on school level, you can send a WhatsApp to this number, then we'll make a video like this one, put it on YouTube, and everybody can benefit from your question.